In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pre-filled links for Google Forms. Pre-filled links are a simple way to save time and guide respondents by having certain answers show up automatically when someone opens your form. This is great for things like setting a default date, pre-selecting a course or event, or filling in known information so people only need to confirm or complete the rest. Start by opening your Google form in edit mode. You can use an existing form or create a new one, but make sure you're looking at the editor where you can add questions, not the live preview. If you have multiple sections or required questions, that's fine. Pre-filled links can work with those too. Next, go to the top right corner of the form editor and click the More menu, which is the three vertical dots. From that menu, choose Get Pre-filled Link. This opens a special version of your form designed for creating the link. You'll still be able to see all your questions, but instead of sending it to others, you'll use this view to set the answers you want to appear by default. Now fill in the answers you want to pre-fill. Type into short answer or paragraph fields, choose an option for multiple choice or drop-down questions, and tick any checkboxes that should be selected by default. For checkboxes, you can select more than one. If there are required questions and you don't want to pre-fill them, you can leave them blank. Recipients will still have to answer before submitting. Remember that anything you pre-fill becomes part of the link itself, so avoid putting sensitive information in these fields. When you're satisfied with the selections, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Get Link. If you don't see the button, make sure you're at the very bottom of the pre-fill view. Google Forms will generate a unique URL that includes your chosen answers. Finally, copy the generated URL. You'll see it in a small box, often with a copy link button. That link is what you'll share. When someone opens it, they'll see the form with those answers already filled in, and they can still edit anything before hitting submit. A few tips as you use this: if you later change your questions, like renaming them or deleting them, the old pre-filled link may stop working as expected. It's best to create new links after major edits. Also, check your form's settings to ensure the right people can access it. That's all it takes to create pre-filled links for Google Forms quickly and confidently.